Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Error 07 on your SuperFit treadmill. So I recently ran into this issue and I was scared that I would have to buy a new treadmill. But essentially what it ended up being is that when you turn on your treadmill and you see this notification here where it says E07, what this means is that your treadmill is not going to turn on. Okay, so if you press the power button, you can hear that it's not going to turn on. You want to go ahead and grab the safety pin, so this one right over here, and you want to make sure that it's attached underneath your treadmill just like that. So once you go ahead and do that, just make sure that it's actually properly attached. So what we're looking at is you want to make sure that it's boom right there, fully attached. And there you go. E07 has now gone ahead and been removed. So sometimes it might be like this. Sometimes it might have gotten moved accidentally like this. So make sure it's actually securely attached just like that. Now, once you do that, your treadmill should start to work again. So there you have it. It's now counting down and our treadmill now works. So if you do run into error E07 on the SuperFit treadmill, that's how you fix it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go and fix this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.